Hey there, aspiring wealth builders. Get ready to unlock the secrets of financial success with our ultimate guide on dividend investing for beginners. Today, we're not just talking about investments, we're unleashing the power of dividends, a hidden gem in the world of wealth accumulation. Imagine a consistent income stream and the potential for reinvesting in your financial future. Stick around as we unravel the benefits, guide you on how to kickstart your journey, highlight the platforms to consider, and showcase examples of promising dividend stocks that could be your ticket to fruitful returns. Ready to supercharge your financial wisdom? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive deep together into the vast ocean of wealth creation. So why consider dividend investing? This strategy has an array of benefits that can contribute significantly to your financial growth. First and foremost, dividend investing offers a steady stream of passive income. What does this mean? Passive income is the money you earn with little to no daily effort. It's a strategy that provides a way to make money without being actively involved. This translates to earning money while you sleep. Now, companies that pay dividends distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis. This consistent income can be particularly appealing, especially for those striving for financial stability and long-term growth. With dividend investing, you're not solely reliant on market appreciation for returns. You also gain from consistent cash payouts, thus diversifying your income streams. Passive income through dividends is a powerful tool towards achieving financial freedom. It's a step forward to make your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's a move towards a life where your personal finance can sustain your lifestyle without needing to trade your time for a paycheck regularly. Moreover, dividends can function as a safety net during market downturns. Even if stock prices oscillate, your dividend income can provide a buffer against market volatility, reducing risk and a sense of security. In addition, dividend investing opens the door to one of the most powerful concepts in finance: compounding. When you reinvest your dividends, you buy more shares, which in turn leads to increased future dividends. This snowball effect, where your wealth can grow exponentially over time, can significantly boost your returns. It's not just about the sum you earn today, but also about the potential earnings of tomorrow. This power of compounding, combined with a steady stream of passive income, can allow you to build wealth over time, contributing to your journey towards financial freedom. Now, let's delve into the process of getting started with dividend investing. An important first step is to assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. What is your investment horizon? Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Being clear on your goals helps align your investment choices. Moreover, understanding your risk tolerance is equally crucial. Are you prepared to see fluctuations in your investments, or are you looking for more stable returns? Dividend stocks can be a significant part of a balanced portfolio, but getting a handle on your personal financial landscape is the foundation. Building upon this foundation, the next step involves educating yourself. Grasp the rudiments of investing in the stock market, with a special focus on how dividends work. Delve into the dividend payout ratio, yield, and payout dates. Make use of online resources, enroll in courses, or read books to help guide you through this process. Once you've got a firm grip on your financial situation and the basics of dividend investing, it's time to select a trustworthy investment platform. Different platforms cater to distinct needs of dividend investors. Renowned brokerage platforms such as Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity offer easy access to a variety of dividend-paying stocks. Choosing the correct platform is more than just picking the most popular one. Consider aspects such as fees, user-friendliness, and the availability of research tools. Take into account whether the platform offers commission-free trades. This could make investing more cost-effective, particularly for small investors. Remember, the right platform can significantly enhance your investing experience and success in dividend investing. Now, we delve further into the enticing world of dividend stocks that have piqued investor interest. Having a stronghold in the healthcare sector, Johnson & Johnson is celebrated for regularly distributing dividends. It has a diverse product range and a legacy of financial solidity. Over the years, it has consistently reported strong revenues and earnings with a current dividend yield of around 2.5%. The company's robust financial health and positive future outlook make it a favored choice among income-focused investors. Next, we shine the spotlight on the consumer goods behemoth, Procter & Gamble. PG, as it's widely known, is popular for its everyday household brands. It boasts a solid history of dividend expansion. With its strong financial performance and a dividend yield of about 3.2%, it continues to be a dependable option for those seeking steady income. The company's strong market presence and future growth potential in developing markets make it an attractive prospect for investors. Lastly, we explore the tech sector, where even companies like Microsoft have adopted dividend distributions. Microsoft has transformed into a dividend-disseminating powerhouse, proving that the tech stocks also afford income opportunities. The tech giant has been reporting incredibly solid financial performance with a dividend yield of approximately 1.7%. Microsoft's robust cloud business and promising future prospects in AI and machine learning make it a lucrative choice for income and growth-oriented investors. So, to wrap it all up, the perks of dividend investing are undeniable: a regular income, opportunities for expansion, and protection from market inconsistencies. This is your chance to safeguard your financial future by continually learning about investing and personal finance. Don't forget to incorporate dividend stocks in your investment portfolio. If you're as passionate about securing your financial tomorrow as we are, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more from Prosperous Perspectives.